Greetings, Black Cat fans. Today, I'm going to be looking at Black Cat issue 6, the variant cover by Clayton Crain, published by Marvel Comics. I would have to say that I like Gleb's artwork better than Andres Genolet's artwork, but I don't even know how to say Gleb's name right, so we'll just say that I'm more of a fan of Gleb's artwork, but Andres would have to be like my second, the runner-up for this series. This page right here was definitely a big, like, what the F for me when Felicia was, like, sleeping in bed with another woman. Yeah. Yep. There's still what the F page right here is going on. Yes. We get to, like, the good part where, like, Daredevil saves Felicia from, like, a predator. Yeah. Yep. And then Felicia, like, puts her foot on this hit on that guy as, like, as her way of saying, like, back off. I don't get why Daredevil changed into his normal attire. They should have just had him wear his regular suit. I was expecting it when I first picked up my copy of this issue. Yep. Definitely, that looks like some underground lair right there to your right. Oh. Yep. More of that guy from issue 2, yeah. Yes. Felicia and, like, Baron arguing in front of Daredevil is just like mom and dad, like, arguing in front of the kid. Yeah. And then you see right there, Felicia, like, charges after him, and then Daredevil, like, grabs Black Cat with his right arm, saying that it's not worth it. Yep. Yeah. The best part right there is, like, to your right. Yes, I really do like that page to the left. Yep. You see that? Felicia, Matt walking out of Grand Central Station. And then Matt, like, tells her that Felicia that she owes him for the shoes. And then Felicia's like, yeah, this is definitely a good story when she says, like, she'll treat Daredevil out to coffee for helping him. Yeah. Pause the video if you want to look at this. And yes, I definitely want that cover by Gleb Malkinov. Yes, I really do want this cover. I am so not missing out on this one. So, about this issue, I'd probably give it, like, 5th place behind issue 5. Yes, so this issue has, like, is, like, behind issue 5 for me. But this was still a great pickup. I'd probably give it like 5 out of 5 along with my other 5 issues. Yeah, this definitely gets like 5th place. I definitely want to get that variant cover by Melkinov. Yes. Don't forget, keep on reading, Black Cat fans, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.